when traditional manufacturing struggles to balance efficiency and sustainability. IMR technology provides a breakthrough solution with its self-developed, intelligent surface decoration technology. Our in-mold processes like IMR form and finish in one step, simplifying production while reducing energy consumption and pollution at the source, enabling truly green manufacturing. Widely applied in home appliances, automotive, smart robotics, and more, we help global brands create more competitive appearance parts. IMR walks the talk in sustainable development. Our new facility is designed with eco-friendly principles, driving industrial upgrade through innovation. Choose IMR. Choose smarter, lower carbon manufacturing for the future.